The San Antonio Spurs are in LA, and the Lakers, they're trying to get their first 3-game winning streak of the season. Lonzo Ball, he had 18 points, 10 rebounds, 6 assists, 4 steals. Kuzma with 10 points off the bench, and Ingram, he had 26 as he's gonna knock down the splash. The Lakers go up nicely here in the first half. Clarkson gets a lay-in in the paint. Spurs, you know they're not gonna go away though. 3 is missed. Transition basketball. What a pass from the Lakers to Lonzo. Getting fancy here. Timeout Spurs. They gotta do something. Lonzo with the dish into the corner. Brandon Ingram is money. The Lakers are still on top in the first half. Second half, Spurs trying to do something. Aldridge knocks it down in the corner. Sparking a run. They're right back in it. It's a 2-point game. Look at that 3, no hesitation. Spurs momentarily took the lead right there. Lakers regain it. Ingram in the post. Quick face up and then finishes at the rim. Another timeout for the Spurs. Greg Popovich is not happy with what he's seeing. Look at that 3. Knocking it down. It's still a close game. Forbes is keeping him in it, but there goes the bad pass. Late show transition. Caldwell Pope throws one down, and then Larry Nance Jr. gets the steal, gives it up. He's gonna get it back. What a lob. Look at the outstretched hand. Oh my goodness. Looking like the Statue of Liberty in midair. That is insane. Ingram kicks it to Lonzo for the splash, and the Lakers win 3 in a row. There's Haley. My opponent's been attacking the flat all game long, so I put him in a flat, and then when the ball is thrown, he runs away from the play. He was terrified of tackling that guy. He just said, I'm gonna just go back over here. So I had to sell him.